I was so excited when I did that, and I forgot to tell you. My name is Pat Oland. I'm from Montgomery County, Maryland. I work for Montgomery County Public Schools in Publication Services, as well as under the Department of Media Technology and Production. And I retired in 1999. I have suffered from what they call a foot drop for probably 20 years. That's when the muscle on the top of your foot becomes weak or paralyzed. So when I needed, over the past 2 decades, to go up the steps, I had to hold tightly to a rail, and I had to move my foot over to the left and fling it up on the step to go up, and I had to do that for every single step. About 3 weeks ago, I needed to go upstairs. We have a 2-story house, and I usually don't go up the stairs. Those rooms up there are for my grandchildren when they come to visit. But I decided to go up for the item, and I got 2/3 of the way up the stairs and realized I wasn't flinging my left foot out to the side. I was walking directly up the steps. I was so excited, I turned around and went down the steps just to see again if that happened, and I walked up all 13 steps of my house without the foot swinging out. I walked normally, and I credit that to Tai Chi.